Greetings, fellow traders, time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, September the 7th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off in the market here today. So SPX down 15 points here, bringing the monthly chart back to red. Weekly chart red, daily chart red, and sitting right on the 80 MA. We got a nice bounce off of it earlier, but they pulled right back to it here at the end of the day. So what's going on? Right, we had this WXY formation, right? ABC, 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 right? Wave Y. Definitely looks like it's in, right? So we're good there. What's this thing doing, right? So are we starting an impulsive wave up, or was that just the corrective wave right there, or the first part of a corrective wave, or first part of a larger corrective wave, or are we looking at a 1, 2 pullback, and we'll see a wave 3 up? So we really need to kind of keep an eye and see how the price action goes going into tomorrow. SPY, again, we had a couple harmonics that we're working on today. So SPY, again, got a little bit of increased volume with some of the selling pressure at the end of the day. But we did have a harmonic intraday. It came right to the 1.618, down, retrace, and then down again. So kind of a rough move there at the end of the day, but still hung in there, right? So kept our levels, so we were good. S&P futures, again, let's take a look here and just see. Let's see if we got this geometric line to contend with going into tomorrow, going into tonight. So we'll see how that holds. I mean, things are a little bit sketchy right now, right? So we've got Fed coming up next week. We've got a short week this week. And, not super duper easy right now. It's tricky little market, so we just kind of have to keep take it day by day and just go from there. So let's see. So keep an eye on that here for the MES. Qs, again, grinding its way up right here. Nice push. It stayed over the gamma flip level for the majority of the day and kind of came back to it there at the end. IWM's kind of stayed bearish for the majority of the day under its gamma flip level, so that kept it relatively bearish and came to our geometric line from the bubble report. XLF, same thing. Big sell-off into the close here, too. Got really, really tight and then broke down. Triangle breakdown on that one. And the VIX was down for the majority of the day. It got perky at the end. So VIX is actually hanging out there over 18 and a little bit sketchy there on the daily chart. So I would say pretty much caution for overnight. Apple had a great day today. Nice push, right? Beautiful double inside day up here on the daily chart, right? For a nice move today. We pointed that at the open on the live stream today. And Tesla also had a nice day today too. Just watch out for that upper shadow. Bitcoin did not have the nicest day in the world today. Let me try pulling up the right ticker. Okay, so Bitcoin did not have the nicest day in the world today. In fact, it closed over the macro upper trend line. I'd say this is time to be cautious on it. That's a huge bearish engulfing candle on this with big volume, right? What is it? We had some issues with the first day, right? The first day of using the Bitcoin, right, overseas in El Salvador, right? So a little bit of trickiness there on that one, right? So it gave us a good move. It hit our 52,000 target, and it got even beyond it to 53,000. So I'd say, go ahead and take the profit, right? And we'll look for another setup play. It's a little bit tricky right here. If it breaks down below this, things could get pretty nasty. Amazon, decent push today. Found a little resistance at the top of the cloud. Facebook had a stellar day today. Really, really nice move. Strong move off of the 80 MA on that one. The industrials, right? Boeing was rough today. Down and stayed down. Caterpillar, also pretty weak today, right? So kind of weighing on the Dow Jones, right? Those type of names, right? So just kind of keep those on the industrials. Lyft had a good day today. Nice little breakout came on that one. Netflix continued to work its way up. Now's not the time to chase it, right? Gave a good move, but it's Netflix, right? Lulu earnings coming up this week. Another one to kind of keep an eye on. Ended up having kind of a rough day today. DKNG with another breakout move on this one, so keep an eye on that. JD with a good move over the 200-day moving average with some good volume on that one. Wynn Casinos, wow, big push on that one over the 50-day moving average right up to the cloud. And if you want a weak one, check out Dominion Energy with a oof to the 50-day moving average today. Wow. So a couple names to look at there. Anyway, guys, good stuff. We'll see you guys tonight at 7:30 on the live stream. Until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe. See you